PACE was first established in New York, the United States of America, in 1992 as PACE International Corp. Since the beginning of this century, PACE began operating the berths of Poti Port awarded after winning several state tenders. As a result, the PACE Group operates 8 berths owned by APM Terminal in the Port of Poti through long-term lease agreements. In 2014, PACE reached an agreement that Turkmen mineral fertilizers would be transported to Western markets through the Georgian corridor via the port of Poti. Previously, this cargo was moving towards Russia and Iran. For this purpose, new infrastructure needed to be developed in the port of Poti. PACE accomplished this on time, and since 2016, PACE has started to transport the Turkmen fertilizers via Georgia. To expand its activities by developing marine infrastructure using the latest modern technology in order to maintain existing cargoes and attract new cargoes. That's why it decided to establish a modern multi-purpose sea terminal in Poti on the territory of the old shipyard in the new port basin. The project provides for the reconstruction of the berths with a total length of 650 meters. After dredging, the draft will be increased to 12 meters. The deep water terminal will allow us to receive Handymax-sized vessels carrying 50,000 tons of cargo. In addition to the already existing 30,000-ton capacity warehouse designated for mineral fertilizers, we will establish a closed warehouse with capacity for 50,000 tons of mineral fertilizer. The warehouse infrastructure will be equipped with modern equipment that will give us the possibility to increase annual turnover of the Central Asian mineral fertilizers by 3 times. The terminal capacity will be 2.5 million tons of bulk and break bulk cargoes and 100,000 TEUs, which is equal to 2 million tons of cargo. The terminal will serve various types of bulk, break bulk, and containerized cargoes. For these purposes, the terminal will be equipped with modern high-capacity harbour cranes and a ship loader. All that will give us the possibility to handle many different kinds of cargoes that none of the other Georgian ports can accept due to absence of the required infrastructure. We will have the possibility to extend capacity of the Georgian port infrastructure and attract many more transit cargoes. In short, a new ultra-modern port terminal with 25 hectares of land is currently being built. For comparison, the port of Batumi is located on 19 hectares. The entire $120 million project will be implemented in 2 phases. The total investment cost of the first phase is $93 million, out of which $50 million is financed by the United States government's Overseas Private Investment Corporation. Project implementation is planned within 18 months, which means that by the summer of 2020, Georgia will have a modern, deep seaport, which will be one more step towards developing the transport corridor Georgia connecting Europe and Asia.